Come along, it's nature time with planet heroes in a line. A, B, C, and all around. Nature's wonders are amazing. A is for air so fresh and clean. B is for bees that buzz and gleam. C is for clouds up high and free. Come learn the ABCs of nature with me. Come along, it's nature time with planet heroes in a line. A, B, C, and all around. Nature's wonders are amazing.
Hi, Planet Heroes. I'm Maya. Today, we're learning about the letter M in our ABC of Nature series. Can you think of something in nature that starts with M? I'm thinking of an animal. It hops through tree branches, has a long swishy tail, and lives in forests. Do you know what it is? It's a monkey. Great job! Monkeys are super fun. But did you know they also help nature? Some monkeys eat fruits, and when they poop, the seeds come out in new places. This helps new trees grow all over the forest. And guess what? Monkeys also eat bugs that hurt plants, so they help keep the forest clean and healthy. Monkeys are nature's little helpers. Hello, Lila.
Hello, Maya. Hello, Planet Heroes.
We're talking about the letter M today.
Oh, yes, we are. Planet Heroes want to play a game?
I love games.
Did someone say games? I'm in!
Okay, here we go. Tell us which of these start with the letter M.
Moon!
And mushroom.
That's right. Moon and mushroom both start with M, and they both help nature. The moon isn't just pretty, it's like a big helper in the sky. It gives us light at night so we can see even in the dark. Some animals come out only when the moon is shining. They use the moonlight to find food and stay safe.
Mushrooms do more than just sit on the ground. They help clean up old leaves and plants by breaking them down into tiny bits. That makes the soil, yes, the dirt under our feet, healthy and full of food for new trees and flowers to grow. And some mushrooms even work with tree roots underground to share water and food. Isn't that cool? M is also for mountains. They are tall, rocky, and reach all the way up to the sky. Did you know the highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest?
And the tallest mountain in Africa is called Mount Kilimanjaro. Mountains help nature too. They are home to many animals like the bighorn sheep and some eagles.
They also give us fresh water because rivers often start in the mountains from melting snow and rain.
Here's one more M word, mangroves. These are special trees that grow where the sea meets the land. Their roots hold the soil together so it doesn't wash away, and they make a safe home for baby fish and crabs.
Let's count how many M words we've found so far. Say them with us.
Monkey.
Moon.
Moon.
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Mountain. Mangrove.
That's 5.
And it's time for a song.
the clouds. Mangroves guard the ocean shore, holding roots and so much more. M is full of wonders, true. M is for the magic of nature, creatures helping, big and small. From the forest to the ocean, M does wonders for us all. M is for the magic of nature, creatures helping, big and small. From the forest to the ocean, M does wonders for us all.
What's your favorite M word in nature?
Ask a grown-up to help you find one more M word and tell you how it helps nature.
And join us next time when we explore the things in nature that start with the letter N.
Subscribe today to Kits for the Planet and learn more about caring for our world. Always remember, every little helps.